Hi, welcome to the Guia Mundi channel. I am Wesley Nascimento, and today we're going to learn how to make your own networking cable at home. Before we start the tutorial, subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Doing that, you're going to help more people to discover about this video. In order to make your own networking cable at home, you're going to need few materials and tools. Cat5E or Cat6 Internet cable, RJ45 connectors, crimping tool, cable stripper, cable tester, and a label machine. Step 1. Prepare the cable. Start by cutting the Internet cable to the desired length using a cable stripper. Make sure to cut the cable cleanly and evenly to avoid signal loss. Remove about 1¼ inches of outer insulation to expose the twisted spares inside. Step 2. Untwist and arrange the wires. Inside the cable, you'll find the twisted spares of wires. Carefully untwist them and arrange them accordingly to the T568P wiring standards. It's essential to use the same standards on both ends of the cable. The diagram of the T568P wiring is orange white, solid orange, green white, solid blue, blue white, solid green, brown white, solid brown. Step 3. Trim and align wires. Once the wires are in the correct order, trim them to the same length so they are even. Use a straight edge on your RJ45 connector as a guide. It's essential to ensure the wires are all the same length for a proper connection. Step 4. Insert wires into RJ45 connector. Take your RJ45 connector and carefully insert the wires into it. Make sure the wires go all the way to the front of the connector and the color code match the standards of T568P. Step 5. Crimp the connector. Place the connector with the wires into the crimping tool. Ensure the connector is pushed as far as it can go into the tool. Squeeze the crimping tool's handles firmly to secure the wire in the connector. This action will pierce the wires, ensuring a solid connection. Step 6. Check the connection. After crimping, inspect the connector to ensure that all the wires are securely in place and none are sticking out. Any loose wires can result in a faulty connection. Step 7. Repeat for the other end. Now, repeat the same process for the other end of your cable, making sure to maintain the same wiring standards, T568P, as you did for the first end. Step 8. Test the cable. If you have a cable tester, it's a good idea to use it to check your cable for continuity and correct wiring. This step can help identify any issues with your cable, which can save you a troubleshooting time later. Step 9. Secure the cable and label. If you are using the cable for a permanent installation, you may want to secure it with cable clips, ties, or adhesives to prevent strain on the connector. Label it accordingly to your need. Congratulations! You just made your own networking cable at home. Don't you forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more videos like this. Give it a thumbs up and also comment about your experience right here below this video. We also leave some links so you can buy the tools and material online. Thank you so much. I see you in the next video.